Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reverse your video using Inshot reverse effect. Open Inshot app. Go to videos, select new, import the videos in your Inshot app. Tap duplicate and duplicate your video. Repeat this for other videos. Select the duplicated clip and tap reverse. This will create the reverse effect. Repeat this for other videos also. Next, we use the speed curve to enhance the reverse effect. Tap speed, select curve. Decrease the speed at the end of the curve. Next, select the reverse clip. Tap speed, select curve. Decrease the speed at the start of the curve. Repeat this for other clips. Here is the final result of your reverse effect.